Hey guys, Creepy Plays Minecraft here. I'm gonna do coding, and I guess I'll try to explain what I'm doing in the video, but might be hard to understand. But I'll be coding a Scratch game in this video. Sorry, I haven't uploaded in a bit. And here I am. The game is looking a bit glitchy. Should be right. Bells up and running. Let's get this out of there. I think I've just dragged the skip button. And now I can relocate the skip button. Perfect. Skip. Skip. But anyway. If you don't remember, I've worked on this game on my channel before. But this is something that's just supposed to be coming soon. I was working on it, I think it was either yesterday or the other day, but whatever. I think it was yesterday. Now, add a I'm gonna add like a metal shop, so like you can buy different materials, because you're going to need, if you play this game, you're going to need materials to repair this thing. Now there's kind of a missing exit button, and I'm assuming that's just something to do with the shop not going backwards enough layers. So if I go into here, it should pop up. If I maybe like 55 layers back. That's not working. Oh, it's just hidden. Um, oh, it's on the when this sprite clicked. That makes me feel dumb. Okay, so even the game is glitching. Okay, the game's glitching. Whatever. And now I can press this button to leave. Now, hang on a second. So you can't actually see the whole thing. There we go. What do you guys think of my cursor? Anyway. So yeah, the crystal is like shining. I might change that costume. Wait, no, it's not in the crystal costumes. It's somewhere down here, I think. There's like, oh yeah, here, a shine. What is this coding? Huh, I didn't know they had like different colors. I forgot I put that there. And I don't know if there's actually a way to make Scratch things more transparent other than just lowering their saturation. But now they have no saturation, so how do I make it transparent? That is something I'm struggling with. If anyone knows how I can make something transparent, please let me know in the comments. Now, I need to add in their shop menu. It's kind of a pain to add one of these in. Now, what you have to do, you duplicate it, you make a new variable, let's say material shop. Whoops. Now I'm gonna hide this variable, and instead of alter, it's material shop. Should be somewhere. Yeah, material shop. And then I'll do that to this one too. Material shop. And then this will also be. Geez, why did I make this game have so many variables? It's so unorganized. This is good enough. This is really glitchy. I don't think these do anything actually, because they're really glitchy. And even if I do this, it doesn't activate the quote unquote. Whoops. Okay, so I've kind of messed up. Anyway, I'm pretty sure that's okay. Let me just access that real quick. Should be this one. Yeah, that doesn't do anything as far as I know, because clicking that button doesn't open the Priest shop, which is actually Priested shop, or it was called the Priested shop, but I changed it to the special shop, so it's actually this one here. Anyway, I just need to relocate this button somehow. I don't know how to relocate this button somehow. Let's try 0. No, wait, that's not right. I think it was like 87. Let's try negative 100. Negative 200. Oh, so that's 1,200. I think maybe like negative 187. Getting there. Negative 180. That looks close. Let's look at the stats menu. Why are there 2 gear shops? Oh, never mind, right. Let's take a look at the cursor shop positioning. Negative 178. And then I can just quickly give the Y level a fix. Negative 0. Too much. Negative 50. No. 25. Perfect. Anyway, onto the new shop button. But yeah, this doesn't really do anything. It's glitchy. I guess I can get that out of here. Which means this script probably does nothing. But whatever. Let's see if this glitches out. No, it doesn't. So yeah, that goes back to all shops. This just erases that. There's cheats down here, which if my code is working properly, should only show up to people I choose with the username block. But I think I can just remove that. However, cheats, there's a very nice mechanic where cheats disables the world record. So if you're cheating, no world record for you. That should make it visible to everyone. That should make it visible to everyone. Alright, so back to the newest shop button. I'm actually going to move the cheats button up so that it can be in line with the rest of them. Eventually, I'm gonna run out of room when I come up with too many shop ideas. Anyway, where is that cheat button? Where is that? Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna move it up. Let's try -25. That should be the same height as the crystal altar shop button. These three aren't even. No, I've got their shops and things aren't shops. Whoops. Maybe I should change it, not say all, like all menus or something, but that's weird. So it's gonna say all shops. And I kind of am using the default button texture for Scratch, but whatever. Just some default button texture, but it works. I might change it because after I do this update with the Crystal Altar, I'm gonna do a graphic update. So I think I'll change my button texture that I use for everything. And I don't even think the all shops button is bigger than any of these ones. Might be slightly bigger. Who knows? So I'm gonna start working on this newer shop button. Pretty sure that's the one down there. Anyway, shop button 16, the material shop button. Now, even if I move it over to underneath the gear shop, which I will do right about now. Oh, that's the wrong gear shop button. That's the right one. Okay, so 179.42. But I'm gonna put it at -25 like the other ones on that row. It's invisible. But yeah, it's there. Okay. Now, I don't think it will function as the material shop variable. Does absolutely nothing. This cheats menu is here. Worrying. Okay, I made the gear shop after the cheats menu, so I'm gonna go check that the gear shop doesn't have that contaminant. Nope, it is non-existent. Okay, I think it's just something that duped from the cheats menu. Whatever. My coding is kind of messy, but whatever. Because it should be fine. Keyword should. Now, because of how the layering in this game works, after I make something, after I add a new sprite, which for each shop menu I'd have to add 3 of them, not even including the things that you can click on. I have to shift some of the other things backwards because after adding these new sprites, there's a chance that something disappears. The gear shop looks to be fine. Achievements menu, nope. So yeah, sometimes like this, it causes like the special shops menu buttons to disappear. So I'm gonna set it back by 85 layers so I don't have to worry about that problem for a long time. Never mind, that breaks the game entirely. Let's just try 80 layers. 79 layer. 6 layers. How do I get it to not show the crystal? Oh, it's on 80. 79 layers. Good enough. Works for me. Anyway, in this new shop, which should appear Alright, this should just... Okay, since this shop won't have two states, I can just delete that, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, and then change this guy's dialogue to say something else. Now for this text, I'm going to change it to material shop. I like the pixel font. It's good that Scratch has this. There we go. Now I'm going to duplicate this. Give it like a green color maybe, so it contrasts well. Move this on top of that one. Move it down to the right. Okay, I just gotta position it correctly. Material shop. Now, when I do the graphics update, things that already got a graphics update, like the special shop, will pass because I've already done a graphic update. But anything added after that most recent graphic update will get a graphic update because it didn't get one. Like these X-ray glasses, this thing, that. Uh, oh yeah, things like the energy drink, ancient scroll, or practically anything in the special shop. If you are gonna play the Scratch game that I've made, it's to any pickaxes you buy after getting the upgrade. So if I buy a pickaxe, then buy sharper pickaxes, that pickaxe won't get a multiplier on it. But if I buy a second pickaxe, that pickaxe will have a multiplier on it. And I've just got this stick figure. He's the stick figure you see in the tutorial, but he's just sitting in each shop and he tells you stuff. Huh? Oh, I dropped something. Anyway, yeah, I haven't been doing much, but let's see. Okay, so we got the material shop. There's only one material for sale right now because you just need one to repair the crystal altar. But I could integrate this into whatever other shops I make. But I don't think there are gonna be many shelves. Maybe just like two. Put dark shelves. And I'm gonna move it up. That should be high enough. I'm gonna shrink this guy's text box. And then I'm gonna add a second one. Right above that guy. Now I have two shelves in the material shop, and that should be everything. Oh, right, the button doesn't exist yet. Oh, right, I haven't given it a nice reskin. It still says crystal altar. Material. And I'm gonna have to make these pieces of text smaller. shop. Hmm. Yeah, that's gonna be good. And then I'll just show the button. Apparently its code isn't running. And the um yeah, apparently restarting the game while in the Crystal Altar menu breaks the entire game. It's because the tutorial guide doesn't close the Crystal Altar menu, like, ever. So I'm just gonna add a simple thing here. When green flag clicked, turn off the Crystal Altar and the material shop, because I wonder what the world record for my game is. Anyway, set altar to 0. Material shop. Instead of 0, which means nothing, 1 means it's closed, and 2 means it's open. So now, yep. If you go into the Crystal Altar, the tutorial guy won't close it when he speaks, but whatever. That could actually lead to a glitch. I'm gonna enter the Crystal Altar. Yep, that's really glitchy. Okay, so the problem with this guy is that he opens the shop during one of his things he says, but he doesn't close the crystal shop with each thing he says. So, you can open the crystal altar and the material shop aren't closed when he opens anything else, which means you can open one of those and then he opens a shop without closing the thing that you're on, which makes you have 2 menus open at once, which equals bad. So, hello, tutorial man. Okay, apparently this guy's code is really glitchy. Now, I have an idea. Wait, why did I do that? Anyway, if tutorial is equal to 1, which uh, I assume means that you are in the tutorial, since he doesn't guide you through the material shop or crystal altar in the tutorial, since I guess you just need to know the basic shops. And also, I'm not adding more to the tutorial. The tutorial is already painfully long. I am going to make him always be closing very specific shops. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Place it there. Destroy that. And I'm gonna put the material shop. I don't think he closes the gear shop either, so that's also. Yeah, he doesn't introduce you to the gear shop, and he doesn't close the gear shop. As far as I know, he doesn't introduce you to the gear shop. Because This guy. Yeah, he doesn't introduce you to the gear shop. You only need to know the basic shops and the stats menu. The rest you can learn yourself. Also because I'm lazy. And I can just throw those in the material grinder. I think he does. I've already coded him to close the cheats menu. Yeah, he already closes the cheats menu with everything he says, so that's fine. He doesn't introduce you to the cheats menu because I only changed it to be visible to all players today. So if I logged out and went to my game, yeah, you could probably see the cheats menu. That is quite the world record. What the heck? Who did this? Wait, I think I did this in testing actually. I'm pretty sure that I did this in testing because I gave myself like a bajillion crystals to make sure that. No, because I would have just done it with the cheats menu, but that doesn't look plausible. So I'm just going to. Got one cursor force. Yeah. There we go. I'm actually gonna move the crystal up because it's sort of in the way of something. The logo, which will exist in the graphic update. Right now it's just a piece of text with the name of the game on it. So that will be fixed. Looks really high up. I think I'll just make the logo smaller when I make it, but that seems good enough because it already seems a bit too high up and it seems quite weird. So I think 0, 0, it's good enough. Anyway, this still doesn't work because it looks like the crystal altar. Wait, no, I changed that. It's not supposed to look like the crystal. Um, Maybe it's still the button still opens the altar somehow. That's very possible. I forgot to change something that makes it change to the altar menu. Yeah, it's very possible I left something in that I wasn't supposed to leave in. Oh, this. Now I know what I left in. Perfect. And oh, that's easily fixable. That didn't fix it. That broke it more. Hopefully that doesn't happen if I restart the game. Yay! I'm gonna give him some green text that says, "Here we sell." No, actually, it's gonna be red text because that looks like it'll be hard to read. Here we sell. Here we sell. I wonder why this guy is selling to you if he's supposed to be in the same crystal mining company that you're in, but I guess he's just a rival, a friendly rival who's because he's a tutorial guy. So why is he helping you, but also not in the same business as you, selling? Because he's selling you stuff. Maybe, yeah. I think he's just a friendly rival who explains stuff to you and then sells stuff to you. Here we sell different metals. Why is that capitalized? Here we sell different metals. Here we sell different. Here we sell different metals, and here we sell different metals and gems. Why do I keep gems? Well, as there's a fly in my room. What the heck? Metals and gems. And now I just have to shrink that down to fit in this minuscule text box. I'm gonna balance it better. I'm gonna be honest, this fly is really irritating. Perfect, that should be good enough. That should be easy to read in the actual game. Yeah. No, he won't be selling that new crystal type yet, but both of those are required for the altar. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to this. And I'm gonna take this coming soon box and change it to repair cost. For, what's a good metal name that I can think of? Maybe just for, let's say platinum ingots. Not titanium's better. For ingots. One. And now you can repair it. And then this is the repaired version where the stick figure is apparently not existent. Let me just copy the stick figure over. Control C, Control V, and instead of saying that, I have to move this whole thing. Um, whoop. And now that that's going back to the material shop, I'm going to duplicate this minecart. But by adding a new material to this game, I will have to add something to the stats menu. Let's delete this minecart, which will be getting an upgrade in the graphic update. Anyway, what could I make this titanium ingot look like? Okay, this is gonna be a difficult one, but okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna give it like a dark gray color. Anyway, I'll now grab the transform tool and attempt to sort of make it into a metal bar. Now I'm gonna give it a nice rotation. Yeah, and now I'm going to add a border to this. This next part should be pretty simple. Okay, that doesn't look quite right, so I'm going to... Why do I feel like I'm doing something really wrong? Yeah, that this doesn't look right. Okay, so first of all, this is way too wide. Whoops. Um, this is gonna look really cursed, but whatever. This is gonna be the worst. I guess it'll look better in the graphic update. This is just me trying to use some. This is just me trying to make something that looks remotely like a metal bar. This is just I've ever heard in the game. Just it's horrible. Not only does it look nothing like a metal bar, it looks nothing like a metal bar. It's at the wrong angle. What the heck? Who knew making space was hard? Um, that doesn't look right, but I think it's correct. Yeah, something doesn't look right here. I think it's just supposed to be here. Yeah, that doesn't look right at all. I think it's also supposed to extend at the back. And nudge this a bit. That can get this whole work. horrible. That's the most unconvincing metal bar I've made. But I haven't made a lot. Okay, we're on the right track. With this, I can already see the resemblance. That looks right. I think. However, when I size it up, it just falls off. The side down. Maybe if I make this part here too, it'll join. It'll rejoin. Yeah, just put this back join on. That's better, I think. Okay, now if I remember right, when you hover over it, it's supposed to... Okay, so what should the cost of this bar of metal be? Good enough. Late game item. Okay. I think it doesn't need to disappear after you buy it. And its fact I will determine time to make another variable. Alright, I'm gonna have to add that to the stats menu. Why did I get rid of that? I needed that. And of course, we're gonna have to set it to 0 at the beginning of the game, so you can every titanium bars transfer over. And it should show up as, oh, aren't these things supposed to have a description of some kind? Oh yeah. Okay, so its code is glitchy. How's its code supposed to? Oh, 'cause it's originally the thing that I cloned was supposed to be part of the gear shop. Right. And then there's just a white here. Okay, so I gotta find out where to tap. What the heck? How am I moving this? Y 110. It's fine. And now there's a tiny bar over here. Although you can beat the game by just buying something from the special shop. Maybe I should add a completion percentage counter. Nah. Perhaps I should add a second. No, you the material shop. The shop stays open. Want to happen? Yeah, another material straight up won't close. Okay, what strange this thing? It's only buttons, so this thing, what is it shitting on? Oh, is it now? I need to give the all shops button the capability to close the material shop when used. So all I have to do is scroll to material shop, set it to 1. and then back to the all shops, and then back. Exit. Now I also need to make that small button that will close the material shop on use. All it really needs to do is just exist. Needs to do existing. Let's see. 66 negative 164. And then size 60. And make yeah. This shop. But I can't buy one. Now, before finishing this video off, I am going to grab the menu. Now, I think it's fair to add a second page to this one, but that's going to be difficult. For now, I think I'm going to squeeze it in somewhere. No, because I'm going to add gemstones and other things anyway, so I will add a second page. It should be more difficult than just straight up cloning the buttons for the dark. I mean, for this thing. Yep. These things are incredibly basic, as I suspected. Even though I made this game, I kind of forgot what code was in these because of the amount of sprites I have to worry about. Stop. And I just have to do a similar thing to this. They can probably even be sitting in the same spot. Anyway. Stats. And stats page. Oh yeah, it's pretty useful to do that. And now we'll probably activate their code. Excuse me. Okay, no, that's the wrong one. The new ones. These buttons exist. If you look at this menu, yeah, on the stats page, that's the correct variable. Yeah, I might just have to send it back like 80 layers. Oh, perfect. Currently this variable doesn't do anything, but I get it to do something. With some coding. Gonna need some different icons. Basically, control, except this. Anyway, but if the shop is open, that show button can be in there. Oh, hiding the correct variables. Yeah, so if I change it to 1, those all pop up. 2, those all pop up. Perfect, okay. Now to just copy the titanium bar text and then take it to the stats menu. I probably will have to increase its size, maybe. Nah, that's perfect. Yep, there we go. And I guess I can add other stuff later. But that's it for this video. Bye everyone.